Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I just want to encourage you or remind you that media kind of regurgitates stuff. So that's what's old can be new again. If you've seen a story that you think, oh, I would have been so great for that, save it and re-pitch the story, maybe even to a competitor 6 months later, a year later, just put a different spin on it. I'll give you a great example. I had seen something on the Today Show, which was a nutritionist who was on talking about the healthiest food court items to eat when you're holiday shopping. And I wanted to find that clip to use in a presentation that I was giving. Well, an older story popped up with Meredith Vieira, who had not been on the show in years, and it was the exact same story, but it was in the summer. Oh, if you're at the mall, what's the healthiest food to eat? So just know that you can repurpose a story, and just because you've seen it doesn't mean you can't use it again. So pitch away. That is this week's PR tip. If you like this tip and you'd like to learn more and get some media exposure, join our PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days, it's 10 minutes a day, and it will help you get massive visibility for your business. So I will see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.